Hey, what's up to all my peoples out there? This is the San Quentin Camaro, Mr. Too Hard to See, getting at you real quick. And this is my 5th gen build with the 6th gen bumper here. And today, I just decided to keep my Aero Sports Track Pack splitter kit that I had with my original 2011 SS bumper. And I'm about to just get a quick look to see if I can repurpose this splitter for this new 6th gen bumper here. So this this splitter is extremely stout in comparison to like the ARP, the APR carbon fiber splitter that a lot of people get. That one is great for looks, but durability, those things crack, break all the time. This splitter right here is capable of 130 mile an hour plus speeds. It's not gonna rip the chin spoiler off or anything like that. It's gonna stay on. It's tight, sturdy, the most pretty aggressive looking, and the most solid splitter I've actually ever put my hands on. So shout out to Kurt over there at Aero Sports Concepts for making some great Camaro products. You guys should check him out. I'm gonna drop his website in the bio of this. And all you guys, please give me a like, share, and subscribe. But I'm gonna jack this up. It looks like it's very close to fitting, but it's gonna be tight. So I'm gonna just see how this is gonna look. I already got everything prepped, somewhat centered, to see if this is gonna go ahead and work. You can just crank it up a little bit and we can make some adjustments. But this is just to give me an idea if I can actually pull this splitter off and use it again. I'm trying to make some fine adjustments here. Shape wise, it's not 100% the way it used to be. So it's definitely a lot more angular the way the 6th gen bumper goes off towards the outside of the vehicle. So that's definitely sharper. So it does look like I have some room to trim it down if I actually wanted to try to do that. So that way I can have the same angle going with the contour of the chin splitter. But it doesn't look that bad. Drop some comments and let me know what you guys think. Hit it up with the like, especially if you like it. Well, once it's bolted, it'll be up on there right, so I think that'll be good. One of the other cool aspects of the splitter, I bought the canards too. Now, they're not the typical that you're used to that go in the front, like near the fog light housing or the grill area. But these are different. And I think it's another reason my car will be unique, because it's a 5th, 6th gen blend. But I just came up with a couple things that I haven't seen before, and this is one of them. So, GM Parts House. Well, here's the side canard. So, the awesome part is, you just see if I can try to place it in. All right, cool. I have no support on the splitter there, so it's really wobbly because it's only balanced at the center of that 3-ton. But overall, should be like that. It covers the marker lens just a slight bit, but I think that looks cool. From the front, it adds a little bit more aggression to it. From the side, ain't nobody's got the 6th gen bumper that has that, period. 6th gen or 5th gen car. Not that particular style. So I really think I'm winning. I'm getting ready to get to the paint shop. So I'm just trying to figure out all this little stuff. I just think of stuff in my head, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and try to get these details to the painter. You're gonna come up with one hell of a build here. I can't quite get it in the channel at the moment, but it's good enough for right now. I mean, you guys get the idea of this. Now that we kind of seen the splitter and potentially what the canards for the side would be, now I'm gonna show you these. This is the other part about that splitter that makes it superior in comparison to all the other ones around. It's these fully torque racing actual real. Wait, let me get this focus. Get this focus going. These are real, 100% real carbon fiber splitter rods. Let me just try to feature this in the sun. Maybe it'd be a little bit better. I mean, these things are beautiful. And the actual rod itself is way larger diameter than the typical eBay, Amazon, or even the stuff that you may get like from one of those performance parts websites online. You know, this is what puts your build kind of on another level. Now let's see. I originally had a hole there. I don't want to Swiss cheese this. Oop, lost the canard. I don't want to Swiss cheese this up too much, but I mean, let me go ahead and see. Sorry guys, gotta put the camera down. I need two hands for a moment. Oh, this guy, I mean, shit, what the hell? I'll even do that if I have to. I mean, the potential is there for sure. Let me just sit this like this for now. Come on, stay. Kind of, sort of. Anyway, this is probably, I guess, how I do it. Still not 100% sure, you know. But I'll figure something out. Anyway, these came from Fully Torque Racing. Man, I had so many people buy these. Man, my hands were really ashy. I was doing yard work prior to this video and didn't have gloves on like a fool. So, but yeah, Fully Torque Racing. I done had probably at least 10 different guys buy these. From social media to YouTube to just being at car meets and just being around where people asked about them. So you guys should hook the San Quentin Camaro up with a sponsorship. Go ahead and let me get some new carbon fiber rods. I'll pay for that shipping. We can get some that a little bit longer. That'll be perfect for this build possible. You never know. Maybe I can give those to another YouTuber or something. I mean, if I got a free set, I would definitely give those away, but you know, I'm just a little guy, so I highly doubt that I would get a free set. Anyway, this splitter. Need to put more pinstripe tape on here, but I mean, this baby is solid. Flying like a wing. There we go. Well, I'm gonna cut this splitter preview vid right about here, but I got a whole bunch of other goodies to show you guys. Just got to get that footage out. All kind of cool stuff. Wait for the next video. I really think you'll like it. All right, like, share, subscribe. This is San Quentin Camaro, aka Mr. Too Hard to See, and we're out of here.